I think say yes. Over 60 years, we've been doing this for so many years.
Yeah.
Can't go on but a day in your film.
Yeah.
You sit march. It is Ghana's Independence Day. America for year. Almost in a small way.
Yes, sir.
But the fact that we are remembering the day alone is significant. No need to cut a huge budget. Monies that can be channeled into another area to help a Greek,
Yeah.
So kudos to Mama. To me, in simple what presidency, maybe 50 soldiers, 50 navy.
You show TV. Because of that, and I wanted to data.
Yes.
Make them cut
the data down so that we can watch all the hours.
Stream arm.
I
don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it. You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it. Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. All the lie. All the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.
We'll do the edits.
Yeah, go
all right. Yes, sir. My name Brad. The name is DJ Paco Rich. We are live here on Paco Rich Studios. Yes, this a higher content. Yes, my man Ghana. In see, Kassan yet the foam. Ya kind of fancy. Ya kind of pigeon. I'm a street of fun. Obiara Watibi. So in the earlier today, communications head the presidency Felix Owusu Kwache or the same people together the 6th March now another Independence Day now what's rotates now also a cow be brazen but this year no go happen Zaubia in a cash out to me.
What's kind of look?
Sikadashe.
Ashe.
PKB.
Yeah.
What's happening?
Earlier today.
Yeah.
Said okay, like you said. I mean, communications director at the presidency.
Yeah.
Felix Kwache Ofusu came out to address the media and Ghanaians and all three and say, once the enche 6 March about Thursday 14th, yet hana match about
that's the next event.
Independence and everybody I said you didn't in a grand style. Grand style. Grand style. But a cabefie. A Kanya Bay.
What happened?
John Dramani Mahama say His Excellency say this year they sit much need yet. One share into me muscle.
How?
How? But this time around, no, or per se, no, in a significant way, but with less cost. Sometimes you go for good things at a very affordable price. You don't necessarily have to go for things at an extravagant price. You know, and before also not a rotation, Independence Day.
Yeah.
Nana do bad, no. Now, region central.
Because Mekai some years back, away with Cape Coast. They started, mounting Ghana flag from Bayer Winneba Junction, the Kesi, Cape Coast. Light Pobia Bonhubia was the Ghana flag album. And I miss A. There is a contract, so Obini business. So now I see him there. OBM and the government contracts are invoicing or by invoicing our big ass, our big boobs. I felt there. I mean, these things, or you're needless because especially on Mana and election another country that is struggling to give food to school children. And while some are still schooling under tree, hospitals in Kokoloba, being on the phone, they sleep on the bare floor. And we are going through all this hardship. It doesn't make any sense for us to transport all the army vehicles and what we have and all the flights
to another region to celebrate 6th March Independence Day.
Atasa.
Yeah, Mama says it doesn't make sense.
Sense be asad now on inka obwa ima ebia region bia no woya igwadi na nyama bi kan but I share the profits are okwo side na hwe e kawo bamu na it's better that you buy our presidency moment ya chobia or hot on as kanka of so I think I agree with the president and I think the word of resetting Ghana no watch and there when you will reset Ghana and I think he should keep this up. He should keep this up. I don't know his plans. They may be going forward and say, yeah, you okay, we'll go back to
the old Independence Square celebration.
But personally, what do you think? Do you think
personally, I think say yes. Over 60 years, we've been doing this for so many years.
Yeah.
State March, it is Ghana's Independence Day. America for a year. Almost in a small way.
Yes, sir.
But the fact that we are remembering the day alone is significant. No need to cut a huge budget, monies that can be channeled into another area to help a Greek,
Yeah.
So kudos to Mama. To me, simple presidency, maybe 50 soldiers, 50 navy.
TV. Because of that, and I wanted to data.
Yes.
Make them cut
the data down so that we can watch all the hours.
Stream them.
Simple.
Then we go.
Then we go.
Contract. So what was our range media?
Yes, range media. I bet you know perform and nice. So I mean, kudos to John Dramani Mahama. His excellent.
I think I like the idea because Buko Cape Coast, and I met people, students are. What do you want to go back all the way from Upper West, Upper East?
Wow, look at that.
Accommodated them in Cape Coast and fed them. And so when we say we do not have money and we keep doing things like that, I say, so I support the idea. I say, Yendi Independence Square.
Presidency.
As I say,
Yendi was the presidency, Jubilee House.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Because so I and Damina man party for so what budget
so local
now what for buses
party for
NDC Tamana MPP
NDC North
man what's the bush at asa odin vanity upon vanity
equal
sika sekwa as a people. I think now if sense was not in the presidency, now we have seen sense there. Nyansa for Abba. And then things are going in the way it should go. Big ups to President John Dramani Mahama.
Say, Nancy, I'm appointed a man for some George Koya about 5 hours near the drilling. Finally, Mahama appointed as Minister for Communication. And there are some George there by there.
Some George there.
I'm for radio stations already.
Also, the 4th February wrap up.
Or declare authorization into auditing of radio frequencies.
Hey!
Serious audits into that.
Mami Chem. Said to where I now a radio station. Na say abanyi bi no obado. Na what's among. Na for the right procedure. Na bosomo so as I said NCA to keep your frequency on. You are not doing that, sir. Some George say. And then you
they will talk.
Allah
we'll talk it.
Will you? All for the folk, Baba. So, Charlie, I like the way Ghana is going. I believe that when we keep doing these things, Ghana will become a better place. It would be a better place.
Yeah, brother, 60 years.
At us.
And Kabaya, you are an old man who has come from pension. You don't have anything.
Oh, they're relaxing, that's it.
They're relaxing now in Iska.
But by the bit gay up, they'll be into politics. Look at the number of people who are going into law. Because what better work on the bedroom. Because you find a lot of lawyers there. They become good lawyers when they can lie well.
Yeah.
You understand? So, guys, this is what we have. Let's see you in the comment section what you think and what you believe in.
Subscribe to the channel.
My name is DJ Parker Rich. My name is brother.
PKB. Subscribe. Hit the subscribe button.
We out of here.
We out.
Right.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it. Yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.